Cumberbatch owns a huge fleet of cars and 2 lovely mansions. All a must for a millionaire such as himself, but what other luxuries does he spend his millions on? Benedict Cumberbatch has managed to become an outstanding actor who is now known worldwide for his famous blockbuster movies. He has also been nominated for various awards including the Golden Globe and Oscar Awards, which are the most prestigious awards in the world. Benedict Cumberbatch's net worth has now crossed $40 million. He made millions of dollars working in the film industry, but how does he spend his massive fortune? Do you think he spends his fortune like a superhero or just like a regular millionaire? Let's find out. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. We are back with another hot topic for today's video, and we are going to talk about the millionaire lifestyle of Benedict Cumberbatch. So, stay with us till the end of the video to find out more. Benedict Cumberbatch was born on July 19, 1976. He is an English actor and he has also worked in theater. He rose to fame as the star of BBC's Sherlock. He is also known for his deep, resonant voice and for his distinctive name. Over the years, Cumberbatch has appeared in many Marvel movies, including the most famous Infinity War and Endgame. According to the reports, he made $6 million from only 3 Marvel films in which he was casted. And he has been offered $9.5 million for the upcoming Doctor Strange 2 movie. In 2014, Cumberbatch was recognized by Time magazine as one of the 100 most influential people in the world. He has won 2 Primetime Emmy Awards for being the outstanding lead actor in Sherlock, and a BAFTA TV Award as a Best Actor for his leading roles in the drama miniseries Patrick Melrose. One of the amazing facts about him is that he has also won a CBE title, which was awarded to him by the Queen in 2015. Benedict's net worth of $40 million has been forged through his acting, production, and motion capture works. Benedict Cumberbatch keeps his spending a secret, or in simple words, he does not boast about his luxury lifestyle. But we still have managed to get some of the details about his millionaire spending for you. So, don't forget to watch this video till the end so you don't miss any of the details. Now, let's get right to it. Benedict owns a luxurious Tuscan-style mansion in LA, which costs around $14 million. He spends most of the year in this luxurious villa. The house consists of 7 luxurious suites with 9 bathrooms. The outside of the house comprises a fireplace. Benedict is living a great life with his wife there, and the couple does not need to go out to watch movies in the cinema, because they have their own cinema room inside the mansion. One of the reasons Benedict bought this mansion is that it provides the family with the privacy they need. The mansion also consists of other mandatory necessities like a gym, outdoor swimming pool, and an exquisite bar. He also purchased a $4 million worth Victorian-style townhouse in London. The house is a 4-story building with a 70-foot garden. He renovated the house several times, and once when he wanted to add a boiler room to the house, he got into a legal battle due to concerns from the neighbors and council workers. The battle ended in Benedict's favor, and he was granted permission to add the boiler room in the house. Benedict's car collection is as amazing as his real estate portfolio. He owns numerous cars, including a Jaguar F-Type, which is worth $73,100, and is a first edition luxury car with a 2.0-liter petrol engine. It has many amazing features, and one of them is that it has the ability to accelerate from 0 to 100 in just 5.7 seconds. He has another Jaguar XG, which is worth $150,000. He also owns a Mercedes S-Class, which costs $310,000, and an Alfa Romeo Giulia worth $40,000. The most expensive car that Benedict owns is a $470,000 Lamborghini Urus 4x4. It has a 4-wheel drive automatic transmission and runs on a 4.0-liter bi-turbo engine. Apart from real estate and car collections, Benedict also spends thousands of dollars on vacations and charity works. He is also the brand ambassador for the Prince's Trust. Moreover, he has set up a recovery fund for the benefit of the Amyotrophic Lateral Sclerosis Association. He donated most of his artwork to many charities and fundraising programs. Cumberbatch has already done an amazing job by holding a special place in our hearts, as today, millions of people around the globe love him for his various performances. So, that is all for today, guys. Tell us what you think about today's video in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.